This week's What's New segment is brought to you by TuneX. Towing season is upon us. We can get your truck and trailer ready for towing.
Welcome back to At Your Leisure, our Where To segment, a product review today. We are field testing the brand new Stryker STF 3713. This is a forward master stateroom toy hauler with a 13-foot storage deck so you can take the 4-passenger ATVs. How do they do it? I'll show you. There's some neat stuff. Come on, let's go. Okay, let's start out with the outside kitchen. Simple design, compact, easy maintenance. Poly-sink and a large and a small burner on an outside propane stove. One of the other things that really makes a big difference is this new upgraded stairwell that's starting to show up on some of the rigs. And Stryker, being cutting edge, of course, has one. When you're ready to go, you pull the pin right here, it folds up right inside the door. That is a nice touch. Okay, let's go back down, come over here. Okay, out in the back, not brand new, but obviously a nice feature to have. They've got a tailgate that serves as a back deck. Get it up off the ground, give yourself an elevated view of the world. It's on the trailer level, so you can just come out here, you can enjoy the sunset, the action on the dunes, whatever it is you're doing. And with the side-by-side seating, it creates kind of a half-open, half-closed, rather large entertainment area for outdoor entertaining. It's a really nice feature on this particular unit. Welcome into the main salon of this unit. You walk over here, you've got your kitchen, your galley. It's got the farm sink on it, under a solid countertop. But notice how it's set up. This is nice. You've got a sidebar here, cook area here, and this forms a peninsula. But it's what's behind you that makes this floor plan so unique. Take a look. You have a cafe-style stadium seating for breakfast or dinner. Now, in addition to that, you've got a huge big screen on the wall, and after a hard day of riding, pull this up, watch the big screen TV on the wall until it's time to go to bed. Up front, master bedroom. Take a look at the spacious bed in here. Now, it's also supplemented with a nice big wardrobe and a spacious bathroom. And take a look. It's kind of a shallow tub, but it has an actual rinsing tub in the shower stall. So this part is worth mentioning. This is the 13-foot storage area I was talking about for your toys. 13 feet from this wall to here, which means that if you've got a 4-passenger machine, you can fit it in this toy hauler. Plenty of height. The magic beds go up, the bunks disappear, and voila, you're ready to park. And notice, we put a lot of sand in it out here at the sand dunes today. And do I look worried? Do I look stressed? Not a chance. So that's our review for today. If you want to take a look at the Stryker STF 3713, you can run down to Parris RV and say, I want to see that unit out at the dunes. Till then, we'll see you next week on the product review. Chad Booth out.